Hello! Today we are going to make one of my favorite desserts, flan. First, let's prepare the caramel. On medium heat, place the sugar in a saucepan. Cook the sugar for a few minutes until it is completely dissolved. In the meantime, let's prepare the flan. In a second saucepan, add the milk. Add the orange zest, ground cardamom, and vanilla sugar. Mix and cook on medium heat until the milk reaches a boiling point. The sugar has been cooking, and now it has become a beautiful golden caramel. Pour the caramel in individual molds so that the bottom is entirely covered. In a separate bowl, place the eggs and sweetened condensed milk. Whisk until well incorporated. When the milk reaches a boiling point, add it to the egg mixture little by little while mixing at the same time. Pour the flan mixture into each mold on top of the caramel. Place the molds in a baking pan. Put the pan in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius degrees 360 Fahrenheit degrees and pour boiling water in the baking pan until it half covers each mold. Bake the flan for 1 hour. Remove the flan from the oven and let it rest until it reaches room temperature. Then place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours before serving. Use a sharp knife to run around the edges of the mold and separate the flan from the sides. Place a plate on top of the mold, flip, a little shake, et voila! Look at this! Perfectly creamy, sweet, and just yummy. Bon appétit!